connecting Northeast Ohio with leading healthcare specialists. This is Health Connections on 19 Action News.
Hi, I'm Jen Harcher from 19 Action News this morning. Welcome to Health Connections. Today we welcome back Dr. Gutman. And Dr. Gutman, you've been a guest on Health Connection for quite some time. You're the hemorrhoid guy.
I'm the hemorrhoid guy.
So why don't you refresh our viewers' memory on what exactly your procedures are and how they differ from surgery?
There's two different procedures that I do. One of them is called infrared coagulation, the other one is called ultroid. They're actually pretty similar. They're both done in the office. What they do is they reduce the blood flow to the internal hemorrhoids to help relieve symptoms and actually kind of dissolve some of the tissue itself. There's no prep needed beforehand. There are no restrictions of activity afterwards. You know, people can often go right back to work. There's no anesthesia needed.
Wow, that's very different from surgery.
Yes.
How are the results? Are they just as good?
Usually patients will do well for many years, but you know, even with surgery, recurrence can always occur at some point down the road. The key is really to know how to take care of the situation after things are better to try to help prevent recurrence.
Do you ever see patients that only surgery is the option?
Occasionally I'll see somebody whose hemorrhoids are at that point, but you know, most of the time these treatments actually work pretty well, even in pretty advanced cases, even if somebody has had hemorrhoids for you know, most of their life.
So you just need to go
into
them.
You know, my average patient comes in about 16 years after they've started to have problems. The key is to get things treated earlier before they really become too bad.
And how many procedures have you performed?
Over 12,000, I think, by now.
Wow, that's why you're the hemorrhoid guy.
Yes.
Dr. Gutman, can you tell us how we can get more information about your practice?
Well, we have a great website, www.sensitivecare.com. A lot of information on there. We also have free informative consultations where you can ask me whatever questions you have. That's 216-7-PAINLESS. That's 772-4653. And you know, this is covered by insurance, and we do participate with Medicare in most insurance plans.
And if you'd like more information, you can always log on to 19actionnews.com and click on Health Connections. Thank you so much for joining us today, Doctor.
This has been Health Connections on 19 Action News. For more information on this specialist and others, log on to 19actionnews.com.